So next topic will be DIF FFT. So DIF FFT means decimation in frequency fast Fourier transform. So we have to solve the sum by using DIF FFT algorithm. So first here we have the question, compute the DFT for the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 using radix 2 DIF FFT algorithm. So this is the question. So here we have the question, you have to compute the DFT by using the DIF FFT algorithm. So you can write the solution. So here you have the given sum will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the sequence will be writing in the order. So here x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, you have to write up to x of 3, x of 4, x of 5 and x of 6 and x of 7. So you have to write the x of 0 to 7 values in the first line. So the x of 0 value will be 1. So here 1 and here the value will be 2 and here the value will be given in the question 3. So next x of 4 will be 3 will be 4 and also x of 4 will be 4 and next x of 5 will be 3 and then x of 6 will be 2 and then x of 7 will be 1. Here x of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th value will be 1. So you can write it here. Next you have to draw the butterfly structure. So first you have to, for DIF FFT algorithm, first you have to put 2 dotted lines for those and then join the first line to the 5th line. Next second line to the 6th line and then third line to the 7th line and 4th line to the 8th line. So similarly for this side, you have to draw the lines first. Next you have to draw the lines in this first line will be connected to the third line and second line will be connected to the 4th line and here also second line to 4th line and first line to the 3rd line. So similarly for the bottom 4 lines. So you have connected the lines. So like this you have to connect the lines. Next in the third stage you have to connect the first line and the second line. So like this you have connected the lines. So for DIF FFT, so here the x of 0, 1, 2, 3 value will be given. So you have write the values. So in the output we can get the bit reversal of the order as we already see in the algorithm. So the x of 0 bit reversal will be x of 0 and x of 1 bit reversal will be x of 4. X of 2 bit reversal will be x of 3. Sorry, x of 2. X of 3 bit reversal will be x of 6 and x of 4 bit reversal will be x of 1 and x of 5 bit reversal will be x of 5 and x of 6 bit reversal will be x of 3 and x of 7 bit reversal will be x of 7. So here we have the bit reversal order. Next you have to put the minus 1 in the last 4 line. And in the second stage you have to put minus 1 in the last 2 line. So here also we have last 2 line. So in the third stage you have to put minus 1 in every even lines. So like this you have to put the minus symbols. Next you have to write the omega 8 value for the lines. So here we have omega 8 0 which will be equal to 1 and omega 8 1 which will be equal to 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. Here we have omega 8 square which is equal to minus j, and here we have omega 8 cube which is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. So similarly for here also we have to write the omega 8 naught is equal to 1. So omega 8 square is equal to minus j, and here also we have the value was 1 and minus j. So you have to write these values for all the sum. So next you have to calculate the value according to your given problem. So you have to calculate the first value. So here you have to calculate the value according to every point. So in this point we have the value of 1 and in this point we have the value of 2. So you have to calculate the second point. So second point will have the value of 1. So in this point we have the value of 1 and also we have the value of 4. So in the 4 value and the 1 value will get added, and in this point we have the value of 5. So in this line here it comes 2, and this line here we have 3. So here we have 3. Here we have 1 and here we have 3. So next you have to 3 plus 2, that will be 5. So similarly for all the lines. So here we have 3, and similarly for this line. For this line we have the value will be 2. So 2 plus 3, the value will be 5. So here also we have 4. 4 plus 1, the value will be 5. So next here 4. Here 4 means here we have a minus 1 symbol. So 4 into minus 1, here it comes in this point it comes minus 4. So minus 4, and also here we have 1. So minus 4, 1, the value will be minus 3. So next here it comes minus 3 and then the value of 2. So minus 3, 2, the value will be minus 1. So here we have the value minus 1 and also here 3. Minus 1, minus 2 into 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 into 3. So minus 2 into 3, minus 2 plus 3, the value will be 1. So here we have minus 1 into 1, so minus 1. So minus 1 into 4. The 4 will also here added. So minus 1 into 4, in minus 1 plus 4, the value will be 3. So here the value will be 5, 5, 5, 5, minus 3, minus 1, 1 and 3. Next you have to calculate this point. So the same value will be comes here 5. So 5, here also 5. So here also 5. Here we have the omega 8 value will be 1. So 1 into minus 3, minus 3. So here we have 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2 into minus 1. So here we have minus 1 by root 2 plus j by root 2. So next here minus j will be multiplied with 1. So the value will be minus j. So here 3 will be multiplied with this point. So in this point we have minus 3 by root 2 minus 3j by root 2. So in this point we have this value. So next you have to calculate this point. So for calculating this point, here we have 5, then the value of here also we have 5. So 5 plus 5, the value will be 10. So next here we have 5, and then here we have 5, here also we have 5, the value will be 10. So similarly for minus 5, here we have minus 5 and minus 5, the value will be 0. So here also minus 5, the value will be 5, minus 5, the value will be 0. So here we have minus 3 minus j. So next in this value 3 by root 2, the value will be 2.828, and the value will be 2.828 here, and here 1 by root 2, the value will be 1.414. So you have to calculate this. We can get the answer as 2.828 plus j into 1.414 in this point. For calculating minus 1 by root 2 plus j by root 2 to minus 3 by root 2 minus j 3 by root 2. So next here we have plus j and also in 3. So minus 3 plus j. So next here we have minus 3 by root 2 minus 3j by root 2. With calculating with this value, we can get the answer as 1.414 plus j 2.828. So similarly you have to calculate this. So here we have also 10. So next here we also 10. So here 0 is multiplied with 1, so the value will be 0. Here also 0 is multiplied with 1, the value will be 0. Here the same value comes here, minus 3 minus j. And then here also the same value comes here. And here we have the 1 is multiplied with this value, so the value will be same, minus 3 plus j. So here minus j will be multiplied with this answer. So in this point we have 1.414 plus j into 2.828 into minus j. So the value will be multiplied along with the minus j. So you have to calculate the next step. So here we have 10. Here 10 plus 10, the value will be 20, and 10 minus 10, the value will be 0. Here will be 0 plus 0, the value will be 0. Here 0 minus 0, the value will be 0. So next you have to calculate minus 3 minus j with the minus 2, 8.28 plus j 1.414, the value will be minus 5.828 minus j 2.414, and also here we have calculated the value. The value will be minus 0.72172 plus 0.414, and here we have the value minus 0.172 plus j 0.414, and also in this point we can get the value as 5.828 plus j into 2.414. So we have calculated the value for every point. So now the value of x of 0 will be 20, x of 4 will be 0, and x of 2 will be 0, 6 will be 0, 1 will be this value. So like then you have to write the output. So x of k is equal to, you have to write the value in the order. So x of 0 value will be 20. So first you have to write the x of 0. Next you have to write the x of 1 value. So be careful in filling the value. Here it will be in the order of bit reversal, but in the answer you have to write in the correct manner. That is 0, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, and then x of 7. So first I have to write the x of 0. Next you have to find the x of 1 value and then write it here. So minus 5.828 828 minus j 2.414, comma, then x of 2 value will be 0, then x of 3 value will be minus 0.172 plus j 0.414, comma, then x of 4 value will be 0, then x of 5 value will be minus 0.172 plus j 0.414, comma, x of 6 0, then x of 7 value will be minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. So this will be the value of x of k. Here we have calculated the DIF FFT algorithm for computing DFT. So this is the procedure. Thank you.